To manage the employee listing, navigate to the Manage Employees page. In the Manage Employees section, you will see this page after adding a new employee. Under the Current Payroll tab, you will find a drop-down menu to select the month and year. By default, the system displays the current month and year to view payroll details for that period. Notice the red box in the middle of the page? This section summarizes the total number of employees for the month, along with gross income, deductions, bank to pay, and to pay CPFB, providing a quick overview of the total amounts for each item. Also, let's take a look at the table below. Let's start with employee name. This is the name of the employee you entered earlier. Followed by this, the hourly column displays an H if the employee is paid on an hourly basis. Next, gross income refers to the total earnings. This includes salary, overtime, commissions, and allowances. Moving forward, deductions are salary deductions permitted by Singapore's Ministry of Manpower. These may include items such as employer loan repayment or other MOM-approved reasons. Next, the bank to pay amount is calculated by subtracting the deductions from the gross income. This represents the net pay that the employee will receive. Whereas, to pay CPFB refers to the total CPF contributions, including both the employee's and employer's CPF, as well as the self-help group employee contribution and the skills development levy. In addition to these, the payroll system also tracks the employee's status. The status column provides both payroll and employment details of the employee. The following diagram provides a clear breakdown of these status categories. Employees are categorized as new, existing, or resigned. New employees start payroll in the current month, existing continue from the previous month or beyond, and resigned have their last working day in the current month. Next, the resigned column displays the employee's last working date. Their salary will be prorated if they haven't completed a full month. Lastly, the payslip status has two possible values: finalized and unfinalized. If the payroll has been completed and finalized, it will show finalized. If the payroll is still being processed and not yet finalized, it will display unfinalized. For a summary of Manage Employee Listing, please refer to this diagram. And that's how to manage employee listing and SalaryPay, marking the end of this video. Thank you for watching.